Okay, good afternoon po. I am Francine Jelibao, your student nurse in Our Lady of Fatima University, and I will return demonstration about the cold compress and hot compress po. So, first po, I will verify the client's identity using the identifiers. So, ma'am, can I ask your name? Okay, can I ask your birth date po? Can I see your ID band? Okay. So, next, I will verify the doctor's order. Then, next, I will review the client medical chart for any treatment area, as well as the client's temperature and pain sensitivity. So, I will check your patient chart and medical history. Okay. If a wound is present, I will inspect size, color, odor, tenderness, and drainage. I will assess the client family awareness and understanding the procedure, including the necessary safety precautions, and I will assess the client's signs and mobility. Then I will identify the expected outcomes the procedure requires, and I will assemble and prepare all the necessary equipment. So this is the necessary equipment that we needed. So, but before that, so dapat po yung patient natin is yung area po na kailangan po is dapat nakatakip. Then I will explain the procedure and completely I will explain the procedure clearly, of course, to the client, and I need kailangan ko po yung consent niya para po mag-proceed ako. So, ma'am, gagawin ko po yung procedure na ito dahil po kailangan po natin tignan yung temperature nyo using hot and cold compress po. Then I will provide the privacy. Okay. Close the curtains and doors. Then I will position the client comfortably in bed in working height, of course. So ayusin ko. Then ayusin din dito kung yun sa gilid po. Then I will place a waterproof pad towel under the affected body part. And I will place a waterproof pad po dun sa gagawin po na sa patient. So, i-open ko po. Then, maglalagay po ng gauze or towel. So, ito na po. Nilagay ko na po yung towel. Then, I will apply the moist cold compress po. So, assume po na ito po yung cold compress natin dahil po wala po tayong paglagay ng yelo po. So, assume po na naglagay po ako dito. Kumuha po ako ng yelo. Naglagay po ako ng yelo dito. So, iaano ko po dito sa patient. So, ma'am, sabihin niyo po sa akin kung mayroon pong irritation or discomfort po kayo sa gagawin ko para po alam po natin yung gawin. Then, next, okay. Syempre po, dapat po gently po yung pag-ano sa patient. Then, sa kabila po, of course. Then, assume po natin na tapos na po tayo din sa cold compress. So, sa hot compress po tayo. Dahil po, kasama po yun sa red dem demonstration po natin ngayon. So, assume ito naman po yung sa hot compress. So, nilagyan ko po ng ganito. Okay, kunwari, assume po na nalagay po natin ng hot po na water. Then, rin po ulit yung affected area po ng patient. Then, I will remove the remoisten and apply the compress or needed to maintain and desired and cold temperature. So, yung di na po ako nag-gloves dahil nasa iyo po yun kung gusto niyo pong mag-gloves or anything po. Pero assume na lang po din na naka-gloves po ako ngayon dahil po important po dapat na naka-gloves. Then, okay, next, I will assess the client's skin condition or appropriate regular intervals. So, next, I will assess the client's skin condition. Then, I will discontinue the application immediately if any adverse reaction or unwanted incident occurs, of course. So, assume nga po na naka-gloves ako. Tininalis ko na po yung gloves ko. Then, alis na po. So, dahil natapos na po natin to, alis na po natin to. Okay. Then, tatakpin po ulit yung area po na inanok natin sa patient. Then, I will assist the client into a comfortable position. So, ma'am, naayos po ba yung position po ninyo? Okay. Then, I will inspect the treated body part wound, evaluate the effectiveness of the theory, and assess the client's sensitivity to touch. Then, I will ask the client to describe the level of comfort and any burning, discomfort, and unusual sensation following the treatment. Ma'am, meron po ba kayong nararamdaman? Sabihin niyo po sa akin kung meron po kayong nararamdaman katapos po natin ginawa natin procedure. Then, I will identify any unexpected outcomes. Of course, kailangan pa rin po natin yun i-assess at kailangan po natin i-monitor yung patient para din po sa kanya yun. Then finally I will document the procedure and perform all the patient information. So then po, thank you.